Basil Pesto, one of Italy's best sauces and normally referred to as pesto alla Genovese. Since we don't have the specific Genovese basil from Genova, and we are not using a manual mortar and pestle, we are going to go with the more generic Basil Pesto name today. We start by adding toasted pine nuts, chopped garlic, Parmigiano and Pecorino cheeses to the food processor, and then pulse until well blended. We then add the basil and process until the leaves are well chopped, stopping and clearing down the sides every so often. While the processor is running, we open the top feeding tube and drizzle in the olive oil until the sauce looks like a paste, not too liquid but not too firm. It may take less than the indicated amount of oil, so pay special attention to the consistency of the sauce. The final touch, season with salt and pepper and give it another spin. To enjoy, cook 12 ounces of dried pasta in a large pot of boiling salted water, stirring occasionally until al dente. I prefer long pasta for pesto, like spaghetti or even better bucatini. Drain the pasta, reserving half a cup of pasta cooking liquid. Cut 2 tablespoons of butter into small pieces and place them in a large bowl along with the pesto. Add pasta and a quarter cup of cooking water. Using tongs, toss vigorously, adding more cooking water if needed, until pasta is glossy and well coated with the sauce. You can preserve pesto a few days in the refrigerator. To prevent browning, top it with olive oil and cover with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the surface. Buon appetito!